Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. Actually, not to virus scan, but how to turn on the scanner, because fortunately nowadays we do not really have to do a lot in order to scan our devices. So all we have to do is to enter the security. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the security scan, as you can see, so let's simply tap. And after tapping, your device will immediately start scanning. It will scan everything, so the apps, processes, payment environment, etc. And basically it will try to find any kind of problems, any kind of malware. And a really nice thing is that, as I said, it will not look only for the malware, but also for the problems. So for example, if if the device will find some problems with the update, so for example that you've got update pending and you did not update the software, it will show you as a problem and try to convince you that you should really update the device. And of course, as I said, we've got two different scenarios. This is the first one, when everything looks good, everything is fine, there's nothing to worry about. And the second scenario, where your device will show you the problems, will show you the malware, and of course guide you through the steps which will allow you to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.